Second ranked match of the night. Oh my god, Duelist. I think I dueled this guy before. We're doing it on Omega. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in a video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Round 1. Dude! What the? I'm gonna link this off. I don't really know Phantom Knights. Let's discard one card. I think I'm gonna effect filler him. I don't know. Oop. I think that was the right move because we just set past a Torn Scale. Negate was good with Effect Veiler. Main phase 1, Cursed Eldland. Activate Effect. Pay 800. Adding ZOOLICH, the Golden Lord. What the heck? I think I'm gonna do the back row. Eldritch activate. Send skill drain. Target and send that back row. Was it Fogblade? Fogblade. Let's go. Yeah. Eldritch, send Cursed Eldland, add to hand, activate effect, special summon the zombie monster, which is himself. Cursed Eldland is in the grave, so I get to dump something to the grave. Golden Land or Golden Lord? Nope. Let's do always. Flawless. I don't really know. I've seen Banish. This I don't know. I really don't know. Couple lightning storms, so I'm going second, perhaps, and that's about it. Dragon Tag. Effect Veiler. tour guide from the underworld. Yeah. He was, I think, about to go to Dragoon right there. We would have special summoned Sangan. And then, yeah. Yeah. Send this to set. Fire formation, son of a... Wow, not cool. Karoseto, Duelist. Rise fusion. Uh-oh. That's 32 attempts of going to Dragoon. Oh, switches up to defense. Come on. End your turn. Sets a card. Come on. Come on, come on. Zoro! Oh yeah, another 10 key. Yes. No. Don't tell me you got another Ash. Don't tell me. Activate the second fire formation 10 key. Activate effect. Let me add. I want to do more damage. The most damage I could do if I attack directly with Borbo would be Thorough Blade. Yeah. He has no traps here. If it was traps, I'd do Ram because I could quick effect, detach, and whatever if it targets, I'll negate. So Thorough Blade it is. Normal summon. Thorough Blade. And then Exi Shokan, Zodiac Gorbo. Gains a couple hundred with Let's Do Wings. Flawless victory. Perfect. I thought it would be harder because I'm a higher rank now, but I just keep quitting. Keep quitting. Where was I? 1162, 1182, plus 20 points. Woo! Comment, share, like, and sub it, if you liked it. See you guys.